Hi there, this is Tyler Woodward at Schomp BMW. Want to take a quick video of the Ford F-150 just for you to take a quick look at. There's the front wheel. The body of the truck looks like it's in excellent shape. I don't see any door dings or dents along the side. Pop it open for you. Leather interior, heated seats. Just over 51,000 miles. Sunroof, very clean, doesn't smell like smoke in there. Lots of room in the back when the seats are folded up. Got tonneau cover on the bed. Spray liner. Here's the other side. Thanks for your interest in Schomp. If there's anything I can do to help you, please let me know.